let's talk about taxes. I wish I had said Texas. That's one of my favorite places to go, but we're talking about taxes. Okay, I really haven't made a video about taxes. I probably should have made a video like 3 years ago about taxes, but I didn't really think about it until it broadsided me at the earlier part of this year. So I'm going to share a little personal story about my personal finances, and hopefully you can learn from this. Okay, everybody understands real estate is a cash-heavy endeavor. You do make your money in lump sums, and it is 1099. You guys understand that? You're an independent contractor. You're supposed to pay taxes on the money that you make, and your tax professional is supposed to help you kind of figure out what to do with that, blah, 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 so on and so forth, towards the end of the year to get ready to pay taxes, or April 15th. Okay, last year, if you were in real estate, which many of you were, some of you might not have been, 2020 was just off the hook for real estate. The company did really well. Most everybody in the staff did really well, and it was just really exciting. Okay, so typically I don't put any money away for taxes because I usually have some type of W-2 employment or enough days at the base, and for everybody that's at the base, you guys understand what that is, to pay most of the taxes that I would have minus write-offs into the system so that it basically cancels itself out. Well, 2020 was awesome. I'm super grateful. Loved it. We grew. Company grew. Everybody was doing excellent, so it was just really fun. Well, I go to file my taxes, and there's a huge liability of a huge tax liability just staring me in the face. So, my caution to everybody is while you're closing deals, put some money aside for taxes. So either put that into an account, get ready to pay those taxes, or if you're like me and you try to spend all your money all the time, which my mom could probably attest to this too, but my wife knows it better. I try to blow my money everywhere. So I'm not good at keeping it in an account like that. So if you're like me and that's the fact, or that's the case, you can make quarterly, I don't know if you can do monthly, but let's say it's quarterly payments to the IRS. And so it would be easier to put some away, pay it quarterly, get to the end of the year or closer to April 15th and pay those taxes. So I just want to make sure that everybody understands that taxes are a real thing. 1099 employees, W-2 employees, everybody's paying them. However, if you're not planning for it, it will freight train you, and it gets a little sketchy. So anyway, I hope you guys can learn from that, and I hope that you can set your finances up so that it doesn't feel like such a heavy burden when you go out there and make a stupid amount of money, and then you have to pay a stupid amount of taxes. I hope you guys just plan for it and plan smart and make smart choices. Okay, this has been all about Texas, so I love you guys, and let's go out there and have some fun. All right, later.